Hey guys, I'm Shonda from AskShonda.com and welcome to my channel. So, you landed here because you want to know if FES, Financial Education Services, is a fraud. If it's a scam, does it work? Shonda, what is it? Welcome back. So, is FES a fraud? Is it a scam? Does it work? What is it? I'll tell you what it is. It is a credit repair service. They also have other products as well. FES, Financial Education Services, is not a scam. It's not a fraud. And yes, to answer your question, it does work. Individuals like myself could come in and basically buy up a franchise. You buy up a franchise. And you know what buying up a franchise is? Is you're buying something that's already established and you're just going to keep the ball rolling, but it's yours now. That portion that you got is yours. So I bought into FES and I have my own team. Now, what I will say is you kind of got to be careful with who you join forces with. It's probably one downside that I could say about FES since joining the company and making it my own. The person that brought me in, and it's not only the person that brought me in. Even like with the webinars that they have you tune into on Zoom and stuff like that, I hear it in other people's voices as far as like, I would think when you bring someone in, like I'm your golden goose, I'm your golden egg. You know, you're supposed to take me under your wing, show me the ropes and get the ball rolling. And that didn't happen. I kind of feel like alone and I'm searching on how to do things on my own. Nobody is really giving me a blueprint. Yes, they're pointing me in the directions of video trainings and webinars on Zoom and stuff like that, but everybody learns differently. And on the webinars, it's like they're all over the place and they cover so much stuff. It really doesn't stick. So I feel like that's when the person that brought you on is supposed to take you under their wing, show you the ropes, explain to you what it is and what it is that you need to do to be successful. And you go from there. No, I'm not asking anyone to hold my hand. I'm not asking anyone to do the work for me, but everybody learns differently. Thank God I have a few marketing skills and I already have a company that does online business consulting, online business building. So I'm very aware of brand awareness, getting the word out, marketing, you know, just attraction. I'm already into that because when you start, they give you like little social media flyers that it's not going to catch a fly. They're so basic and it's just like, it's not nothing personal to you. It's not anything that you could combine with your brand. You actually have to branch off and kind of make your own thing. Just make sure you're following the guidelines. And that's what I did. I'll post some of the social media flyers that I was given when I joined, and then I'll show you what I created myself. So that's about it. The company is great and the money can be made. You just have to be focused and you need the person that brought you in. they need to be like really helpful in teaching you the ropes, because like, okay, for example, what I do with my team, anybody that I bring in, I give them a full layout. I provide them with their social media content. I provide them with social media flyers. I provide them with branding, because I already do this stuff. And since I need you to win so that I can win, and I want you to win anyway, I'm going to help you as much as I can. So I feel like whoever you go up under that brings you in really needs to take you under their wing, show you the ropes, and because whatever you do after joining, they still reap the benefits. So I would really, really take care of my golden egg. I'm going to take care of my whole team, whatever it is that they need. I have a lot of people on my team that does not know how to talk, that doesn't, well, I'm not going to say don't know how to talk. I'm going to say not really a people's person, or, no, that's the wrong word too. Not really a people's person, but maybe shy, or they're not that confident within themselves to actually go out and speak to people about the opportunities at hand. So I do it for them. They send the people over to me. I close the deal for them, and they still get the credit. We still win together. So I feel like whomever you go up under, I'll leave my link below. Whoever you go up under, you need to make sure that they're going to take care of you. It's not about doing the work for you, or throwing clients at you so that you can like kind of get the ball rolling. No, we're not asking for handouts. We're asking for help, because we're new to this. You've been rocking with it. So you have to give us that support. You know what I'm saying? When I was on a Zoom meeting, I heard that someone made a comment, and it kind of disturbed me. She was like, people come onto my team. If I see somebody struggling to get people, I might throw them one person, but we're not here, that basically long story short, she said she's not here for that. But why wouldn't you be here for that if you brought me on? I understand you can't constantly give me people, so that I could take the credit. I want to learn how to do it. Show me, teach me. Don't point me to a video and say, hey, check out the video. Okay, I saw the video. Nothing stuck. Nothing stuck to me. So now what do I do? If that was the person, you know what I'm saying? I'm not that person. I already know what to do. I kind of caught on quick, and I run it like I run any of my other online businesses. So for me, it was like, okay, I feel left alone, but at the same time, I know how to pick things up and keep going. I'm not going to do nobody that joins my team like that. Anybody that joins my team, I'm going to coach you on what to do, how to bring in awareness, how to get your followings up, how to engage on social media. And you can do all of that without speaking to a soul. You can do all of that without speaking to one person. You can get people signed up today, right now, without speaking to them. So that would be my only thing. I feel like, they advertise a lot about family and support and people that you can reach out to, but I don't want to reach out to those people. I want to reach out to the person that brought me in. I'm obviously comfortable enough to join the franchise because of the person that approached me with it. So that person needs to have the responsibility of teaching me the ropes and showing me how things should go. But, everybody is not the same. But like I said, if you join my team as an agent, or if you're looking for credit repair, I got your back 100% through the whole process. I'm not leaving anybody alone. I'm going to help any way that I can, because like I said, if you're winning, I'm winning, we're winning. And I feel like that's the most important part. There's no way that you're going to prosper if you just throw me out there and nothing is moving. You're not going to benefit off of me. That's why I say I feel like they should take more pride in who they bring on to the team and kind of, guide. Not actually do it, but give some kind of guidance, because anybody else that didn't have the knowledge that I have of creating content or knows how to maneuver around paid marketing and free marketing will be totally lost, and they would want to give up. And it's like, that's a waste of money that you've invested, and nobody has money to just be thrown away. So with that being said, if you would like to join my team, I will leave my link below. My contact information will also be below so that we can talk if you need to talk. And don't let the sign up fee be the reason that you don't join. If there's a will, there's a way. You understand me? Contact me today and let's get you signed up. Do not let the money run you off. Don't, oh, Shonda, I don't have it. And if there's a will, there's a way, and we will find it, and I will work with you, and we're going to get it done. We're going to get you to being a credit repair specialist. Or like I said, if you're looking for credit repair, I got you on that too. The credit repair system actually works. I've been on it I now have 15 credit cards, and I went from being declined for all kind of credit cards. Even I remember I couldn't even get a secured credit card. So the system actually works. It's not a fraud. It's not a scam. It all depends on who brings you on and how they move and how they coach you and how they teach you, and basically how you guys take on the project. I mean, like I said, everybody's not the same. I'm not mad. I'm not, I don't even really reach out to anyone. I kind of just do my own thing, and I found my own way, and it's working just fine for me. And I would like to do the same for you. Once again, my name is Shonda from AskShonda.com, and it was nice talking to you.